Today, I'm going to show you how to juice a lemon without ever having to use one of those annoying juicers. It's really not all that hard. First, all we have to do is roll out the lemon. Just like this. All we're trying to do is break up the juice inside as best that we can. You don't really even have to push all that hard. Or you can stick it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. It helps break up the juice too. See? Nice and squishy. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take the skewer, poke it inside. Just move it around, break up some more of that juice. Be really careful though. We don't want to have the skewer come through the other side. Focus in the hand. See all the juice? To our water now. You can actually save this in the refrigerator if you want and use it for later too. Lemons are actually really good for cleaning too. They're a natural degreaser. Some people even stick them down the garbage disposal, but I don't recommend it. I've had it back up on me one too many times.